Hey, what's up, you guys? So welcome back to Week in the Life with Alvinci. This is in fact not a week in the life, it's a day in the life. Enjoy. Today we're at the Blowing Point Ferry Terminal and we're gonna be filming a KFC commercial for the Anguilla Summer Festival. I know you guys wanna watch that commercial just for me, like the star of the show. But truly the real star of the show is KFC chicken because black people. We're gonna go here. We're waiting on the chicken to come over as well as the other actors and videographers. But basically, I'm gonna say a few lines at the port, the terminal, and then we're gonna be heading in a motorcade to the Landsome Cultural Center. So if you wanna come along, I don't care. Okay, so I'm gonna explain why it's so loud. Picture this. On a random day, the Anguilla Summer Festival posts this poster. Everybody in Anguilla, everybody loves KFC. They invited persons to come join the motorcade for some free KFC, and like an Anguillan who loves KFC, I saw the poster but I didn't decide to come. Right after seeing the poster, I got a call to be on the cast 30 minutes before. So here we are.
Action, Leslie. It's here. No cooking today. No cooking today. It's here. KFC is here. No. Come on. Okay. We need some clothes in here. Yeah, sure. What's happening? All right, let's hear it. Push back a little bit. That's what we do. That's what we do. Push back a little bit. That's what we do. Lock him up! This good! Lock him up and leave the chicken pan! Where the police? God damn! Alright, let's do it. And 3, 2, 1, action. So then follow me to the Landsome Cultural Center. Okay. Okay, I come. Okay. Let's get pull up again. Let's pull up again. Just to pull up. Wait. And 3, 2, 1, action. Okay, pause. Come again. 3, 2, 1, action. Okay. I'm follow you. When you release it. Don't act you say hold up. No, fine. Okay. Shares vehicle.
Okay, are you? So basically, one of the buckets of chicken just fall and you see them over there. So the chicken fall. It fall. It literally fall. It fell. It was good. A few lines, cameo from the star itself. But the place is very hot.
Call me, I got a chicken, girl, call me.
Okay. I think that you're going to be good now, so let's get that mic on Kimby. That's a prison, that's a prison sentence. Let's get it out of prison sentence.
Let me chicken up for a year.
Yeah, you have a prison. That KFC sentence. KFC chicken for 5. You know what today? Everything on here went.
So guys, we're here. We just finished the first scene at the port. The chicken dropped on the ground. It was given, yeah. So that bucket is scarce. here backstage of the Landsome Culture Center. It's still in construction, but we're gonna be using the top of the stage now to finish the video.
One bucket? You mean you couldn't lift two?
You know what I'm saying? That hand will come fast. This is a village. This is a carnival village. Madam, quick with it, you know. Let me tell you something. So they done take that already and posted it? Crazy, long time before we come. Would you dropping the chicken? Yes. That's with me. We must say it that way. Why?
So we're here. We're about to go on, but they're filming at the front, and then we'll be bringing all these lovely people on. These are the girls.
You got a chicken? I got a chicken too. Leslie, you got all this chicken, but I got chicken too. Jesus Christ, why let's go.
All right, let's do it. We're gonna go and 3, 2, 1, action. Okay, when you do it, don't stop. You gotta keep that going. Alright? So when you say so even if you don't wind your neck, once you say Leslie and the wind is stop, you gotta like hold that pose. Don't let it stop. You gotta keep going, right?
Yeah, more action.
Okay guys, so we're done. We got the bucket and it was a good successful shoot. Maybe if I could get it, I'll put it in the ending of this video, but see you guys later. Sponsored by KFC. Bye.
Welcome to KFC. May I take your order?
Miss Anguilla Summer Festival coming up. Them say it's the 50th anniversary. It's going to be huge. You know how Anguillians be. Them love them KFC. Give me 50 buckets of chicken. I go see what's going on, but I can't show them there well KFC. I want original spicy barbecue. Even some of them new nuggets.
Have a good day. Safe travels to Anguilla.
Thank you, miss.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Yeah, she should be hot and ready the time I get here.
Let's go. Careful. Be careful. Be careful. Don't drop the KFC. Smell like KFC, boy. All Anguilla girls don't want me now.
Yeah, I just reached. I can pick up the KFC now, my boy. Yeah, I can pick up enough for the whole valley. The whole valley, cuz.
Welcome to KFC. May I take your order?
Yeah, I ordered 50 buckets of chicken on the phone.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, that gotta be them right there.
Hi, this is.
But question, are you got like delivery service or anything going on? Cause that lot of chicken, I can't carry them by myself.
We definitely do. We have someone on site right now.
Right now, right here? Alright, let's do this. Let's get this chicken on. This one's staying with me. But all that good. Look, pull it up. Very good. That's good. Let's go. Good. Just so. Just a little bit. Back up, little bit. No. Come. Okay, right. Yeah, fellas. Hey, right here, right there. Little bit. No thoughts, fellas. Just vibes.
Hello? Yeah, I hear they're doing big things for Anguilla Summer Festival. Yeah, it's the 50th anniversary. Yeah, I gotta go see for myself. I going? Yeah, I going to see the setup of the Landsome village. Of course, I got a KFC chicken. I'm coming.
But I went over there.
Well, I'm happy, but I got a
Yeah.
Don't touch my chicken. You're crazy?
No. Yo! Let's go! Drive. That's gas. Let's go. Come, let's go. Let's go, drive.
But why? Leslie, that KFC smell good.
So then follow me to the new Landsome Cultural Center. Shh, don't tell nobody nothing.
Okay, I can follow you.
Are you? Meet me in the valley right now. Let's just come over with a boatload of KFC chicken and Kembe just passed to it from in hand. Listen, it's gonna be a KFC party in the valley.
Finger licking good.
Leslie got a chicken. Leslie got a KFC. Leslie! You think it's only you got a chicken? I got a chicken too. Leslie, you got all this chicken, but I got chicken too.
Buy the more KFC, the better. Look what's going on here.
Jesus Christ, boy, Leslie. But we gonna feed the valley?
The whole of the valley.
Leslie! And Teen on the way.
The countdown is on for Anguilla's 50th Summer Festival. You too can get a taste of KFC for free. Get a chance to win with KFC's weekly bucket giveaway.
Like, follow, share KFC St. Martin and Anguilla Summer Festival on Facebook. Answer the trivia questions correctly for a chance to win a 30-piece bucket of KFC. A winner will be selected every week until the official kickoff.